There it is. That's a good one. Matchy matchy. Alright. Just gonna get those. Boom. Actually, it just reminded myself I gotta disconnect the battery. Because now I'm fucking with the airbag. So you're supposed to get this loose. Not all the way loose. This is a 19, by the way. I'm gonna leave full thread. And you're supposed to just like wiggle it off. Like, just like that. Boom. So yeah, you leave that on there so you don't smack yourself in the face. Save that. Oh, I guess there's another one. That'd have been good to disconnect. Oops, this thing needs to be, I think that's bottom. Yeah, because, well, whatever, I'm not even going to use it. There it is. Boom. Throw that fucking thing in the trash. No, I'm just kidding. So, top. Let's see if this matches up with what we got. I think I have the other horn somewhere. I have another green button.
Didn't you have a pink one too?
Yeah, I do. I got a pink one at over at D Sport. Like that. Cool. Yep, that lines up. This one's the airbag sensor. Whatever. Shiny. Cool. Last but not least, I have this. It's a shifter extension because when you're here, you can't reach the fucking blinker all the way the fuck back there. So, yeah, looking pretty smooth.